Hi everyone, it's Melissa here to unbox a Peachy planner deals that I got. This is going to go live today. I've taken them out of its wrapping to make it easier. So first I got this roller stamp. So it says time, date, little house icons. Let's stay home. There's no place like home. You are my home. This is where I want to be. Moments. Fall in love with moments. And then it says, this too shall pass. These things take time. Home is where the heart is. Take time to, and then again back to time. I got some cutouts. So first some alpha stickers from Studio Calico in this really pretty pink. 2 sheets and some cutouts. These are not adhesive, but you can just adhere them to your project. Making, doing, so a bunch of different things. I got some vellum stickers, so pretty. May. I think this is really geared towards May to kind of make time to ship. That's why it's going live today. Some cutouts. They are plastic, home, a heart, time, some clouds, and some confetti type drop. Little shapes. If I can just put it back in. Okay. Little straggler. And then I also got these wood cutouts. They're really cute. I may have broken one by accident, but I should be able to glue it and it should be fine. Hashtag sorry not sorry. And Crush Monday. Throwback. Pick of the day, and I broke the teeny tiny F. Hashtag true story. Women Crush Wednesday, just saying. And then hashtag squad, hashtag feels, hashtag no filter, and hashtag goals. And then it came with these hard chip coasters type thing, very, very firm. May, yeah, I think this is really supposed to be a May, Mother May I love that, my birthday's in May, so I'm definitely gonna use that. A journaling card play, and these are Project Life cards, which are so pretty. They're double-sided, and actually says on there what colors will go with it. I really like that. And then a journaling card. These are so pretty. Morning, evening. This nice quote. And then these smaller pocket cards. The cloud, double-sided. Some graphic print. Real life, here and now. The stripe. This quote comes in both neutral and in red. All we have is now also. I love that. Life adventures. Some more geometric prints. It's mealtime, yum. I love that. I take lots of food photos. AM routine, PM routine, and a nice quote in the back. On the schedule, this story. You can do it up and down or left to right. It's nice. Black and green, it's different. Enjoying both sides. Again. Today, neutral and red. Home. Right now. This floral pattern. AM, PM. Best photo, you can put a photo in there. Really cute hearts. Celebrate. And that says lots of scripted words. So pretty. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe.